The Fortiva Credit Card is aimed at people with poor or damaged credit, usually those with scores under 600, and stands out for being an unsecured card, which means there's no need to put down any security deposit. This alone makes it appealing to anyone struggling to get approved elsewhere or not wanting to tie up cash just to open a credit line. You can check if you qualify through a soft credit pull too, so there's no risk of hurting your credit score just for pre-approval. Another important point is that Fortiva reports to all three major credit bureaus, which helps users build or rebuild their credit history if they use the card responsibly. The card even offers a version with cash back rewards, 3% on gas, groceries, and utility bills, plus 1% on all other purchases. But the catch is that cash back can only be redeemed once per year and only as a statement credit on your account anniversary. This restriction can be a letdown, especially for people hoping for more frequent or flexible redemption options. The real frustration with the Fortiva card comes from its fees and rates. Right from the start, you're hit with a steep annual fee that ranges from $49 up to $170, $5 in the first year, and even the ongoing yearly or monthly maintenance fees can add up to more than $150 a year. Combine those with a sky-high APR that lands somewhere between 22.74% and 36%, and carrying a balance becomes extremely expensive, potentially leading users who aren't careful into a cycle of debt. There are additional fees too, like a charge for adding an authorized user, late payments, foreign transactions, and cash advances, all of which can chip away at your available credit and make the card even less cost-effective. You don't get any control over your credit limit either. Fortiva will decide if or when you might get an increase, and you can't request it yourself. Customer service reviews are also a major sticking point, with many users reporting trouble closing accounts or dealing with surprise charges. This kind of unpredictability can be stressful, especially when every dollar matters in a rebuilding phase. In summary, the Fortiva credit card is an option if traditional cards keep turning you down and you want to work on your credit without a deposit. Still, the constant flow of fees and the sky-high APR mean most people will probably find more affordable ways to build credit elsewhere, like secured cards with lower fees or no annual cost at all. Anyone considering Fortiva needs to fully understand the long list of fees and be sure the benefits actually outweigh the risks, because missteps with this card can get expensive very quickly.